just like, come on. Nature, get your act together. You want some work? Come here. Come here. Ay, ay, ay. Big mama. Big mama. So anyway, we're going to get the game underway very soon. But I might have to have a cat shirt today. Because I keep trying to get her to enjoy being on my electric throw. But I think it's just a little bit impersonal maybe. Oh my goodness. Miss Floppy. Miss Floppy. And then you shake your head and you spit all over me because you drool because your teeth are missing. Okay, let's go. Into the shirt you go, Miss Kitty Cat. Whoa, whoa. We're gonna keep you warm. Uh-huh. Earlier it was funny because she was in my shirt and was real curled up, little cinnamon bun roll, just tucked in there, and then she hotboxed herself. Like she just let one rip while she was napping, and then ended up having to escape because she learned what I know already, is that your kitty food fart boxing, it don't smell so nice. So I'm gonna let you chill out right there. Can't wait till it's warm.